What's up, guys? I don't know if you can see this, but I broke my shock trooper's hand, so I need to do some. Maybe he needs some major medical attention. I would use super glue, but I don't have any. So, a little dab of hot glue will never hurt anything except for my hand. Stay. Gotta do this fast before it dries. Hopefully that's where I want it. Your hand isn't gonna move very much, so nope, that didn't help. Not at all. Maybe I'll put a little bit in here. Don't know if you guys can see. Put a little bit there. A little bit more. Let's him sort of fixed. If you guys have any better ideas on how to fix him, please tell. Because I don't want to have just ruined him. So there we go. Thanks for checking it out. Shock troopers are extremely cool. Oh, crap. There we go. If you guys haven't, I'm making a custom clone trooper, actually, at the moment, and he is the Phase 1 clone, but he's in the Clone Wars, like the animated Clone Wars style armor, and that should be done maybe even tomorrow. Get a video out on him. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's my first ever figure other than like Bionicle, but that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.